Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple web browser. Just surfs the web, does not do any of the fancy stuff that Google Chrome does. Just so you know why I have this up, this is the other thing that I made. So what you want to do is you want to do a new project, and you want to click Windows Form Application, and you want to name it Web Browser, and just click OK. Now you have the whole entire form set up. You can make it to your satisfaction, however big you want it, but for the sake of this video, I am just going to make it, say, let's just go like, it's gonna need to be big, I know that. Let's say maybe just a little bit bigger. 1000 something by 788. Alright, that'll do. It might be a little bit too big, but that's fine. So what you want to do now is scroll up, and you want to find a panel, which should be right around here. So you want a panel, and you want to go right there. But over here, you want to do, over in the properties section, you want to find hold on, let's try to find it. Okay. That's not it. It's somewhere up here, but you just gotta it's gotta be snapped to the top of it right up here. So let's try to find that really quickly. Okay, let's try to go to Stu Border Style Fixed 3D, and then let's try to find Dock up on the top. So this will go way up there, and we're just gonna make this a little bit smaller, probably around to there. And let's see if there's a way to zoom out. No, there is not. You'll notice right up here that it has a little tiny box right there. We can also do that with this by going up here and finding sizable right up here. You see right here, form border style. We can do that for fixed 3D. So it's kind of like double take in there. So right up here, we want to get 5 buttons up here. Actually, we want to drag the web browser in first. So let's see. Web browser is up here. Right here. So we just want to drag that right in there. It's going to automatically fill the whole entire size of the screen. And now we don't really need to do anything else down there, but what we need to do now is get a button, 5 buttons. So right up here, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then scroll over, and let's put 5 right there. So basically, I'm just going to scroll over. We're going to make this in itself a little bit smaller, and then that's the exact same. So we have our buttons and everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here, and we're going to make this pretty small, and we're just going to click on that, and we're going to come down here and change the text to a back sign. And then this one right up here, and we're going to change that one to a forward sign. And then this one will be a refresh. Hold on a sec. Right. Okay, so we have button 3. This one's going to be refresh, and we're going to just click on that, and we're going to type in refresh. Actually, refresh. Sorry, I forgot the E. And then button 4 is going to be button for, what should we name that? Actually, let's not go to that one yet. Let's go to this one. Let's go to name that search. And let's go to button 4 and let's name that stop. So refresh and stop, so like you can click the refresh button and or stop button will stop the page. So let's click on search. Actually, first we gotta add a text box. Sorry about that. Let's scroll down. Text box. Text box right here. So that's pretty small, and what we just want to do is we want to scroll over to here and just right there so it's like level with it. And let's go probably just right there. And these ones over here, these buttons, they can just be over there, it doesn't matter, because we're going to put a text or a label up here. Label, which would be towards the bottom. Right here, towards the middle, I guess. And we're going to name that label URL. I'm just going to put that right there. Now again, guys, this is a very simple web browser. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to search, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in excuse me, button 5, we want to type in web browser 1 dot navigate text box 1. Now it will give you a error right there. That's because we don't have text box over here. So actually, wait. Yeah, that should do it. We'll just wait for that. Web browser 1 dot navigate text box 1. That should be working, but anyway, let's go over here to actually let's double click that to make sure, and then let's go to stop, and we'll do web browser 1 dot stop, and then we'll go over here to refresh and web browser 1 dot refresh. Very simple. And over here we're gonna do web browser 1 dot go forward, and last but not least, web browser 1 dot go back. So I'm not sure why it's giving me some of these errors here. Am I not spelling it right or what? Sorry everyone, it's textbox1 dot text. I'm sorry, I kind of messed that up a little bit. And go forward. Let's see. Go there. So you basically have a whole entire web browser now that you just made. Pretty cool. But there's one last thing we need to do, is we need to take a status strip, and we'll just put that right down there on the bottom. And we're going to click on that, and we're going to do progress bar. So now it's just going to tool strip status label 1, and we're going to name that I don't think we need to name that anything, if I'm not mistaken. So let's just open that up. And here we go. We have, not sure if you can quite see that all very well, but we have our frontwards, backwards, refresh, and stop button, which we don't really need to do anything. See, and website was canceled, so we can just go to, let's see, youtube.com, and we click search. And it will bring up youtube.com. So very, very easy. It also has the refresh button, and it will just refresh youtube.com. So let's see, we can, now that we have YouTube open, let's just type in facebook.com. Not that I really use it, but very, very simple. And now we can, it will bring up Facebook, and we can use the web browser back, and it will take us back to youtube.com, and web browser forward will take us back to facebook.com. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. The next video will be as you see in the description, excuse me, will be intermediate web browser, or a little bit more than this. Hopefully adding bookmarks and all that other good stuff. So, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.